Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, we're going to do the benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 9 SE versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. The Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and Snapdragon 888 processor. And in this video, I'm going to compare the heating comparison between these both phones, like which phone will be having higher temperatures while doing this kind of benchmarks. So usually what everyone thinks that the Snapdragon 888 processor will be having really very much high heating issues. But the thing is that if the phone is not optimized properly enough and if the cooling system is not good, even the Snapdragon 870 processor also can get a lot of other heating issues. And in this video, we'll try to perfectly compare between these both phones, which phone has got what type of temperatures while doing this kind of benchmarks. And one quick note, right now my room temperature is exactly 29.4 degrees Celsius and the both phones temperatures are kind of very close to 30 degrees Celsius exactly. Same level I'm trying to start the both phones testing. As you can clearly see friends, same temperatures. I just want to keep this both phones very clear with the temperatures. I'm trying to show you all the proof what is going on as well, and my room temperatures. So there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, nothing at all. And right now let me do quickly clear everything from the background and change the wallpaper to normal wallpaper as well. And normal wallpaper has been changed and everything, Wi-Fi and everything has been cleared. Now let's start the benchmark test comparison between these both phones. Right now, as you can see friends, both phones are temperatures in the beginning 29.4 degrees Celsius, 29.8 degrees Celsius, very close regarding the both phones regarding the temperatures. You can clearly see, and the CPU temperature similarly like this. Exactly what's going on. Always focus on the temperatures in this video friends. We'll try to concentrate what's happening here. Right now, as you can see friends, the test has been successfully started between these both phones. Now we'll try to see exactly how much difference we're gonna see between this both devices regarding the overall benchmarks, overall temperatures as well. And there is no GT mode, there is no monster mode I have used in this video. So just without using any kind of monster mode and the GT mode, we're gonna find out what's happening with overall temperatures between these both phones. And my room temperature, look at the room temperature, 29.6 degrees Celsius. And both phones right now, they are trying to increase the temperatures 32 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius. So I'm trying to make this video slightly lengthy video because I want to cover each and every aspects of the temperatures. Same version I'm trying to use between these both phones. They got in the benchmark version, 34 degrees Celsius and 34.2 degrees Celsius. You can try to look at the temperatures. Very similar kind of temperatures right now we're getting readings. 35. The Snapdragon 888 processor did increase slightly faster, 35 degrees. And Realme GT Neo 2 right now it's at 34.6 degrees Celsius. 35.6 and 34.8. 31, 30. You can see how it's kind of increasing from the bottom to top. 35.4, 36.4. So friends, the iQOO 9 SE is slightly getting higher temperatures very faster than the Realme GT Neo 2, but a little bit faster. I mean, only 1 degree difference is there between these both phones. So right now it did stop. It did not increase more than this. Like we'll see, it will increase definitely friends, but right now the slow has been stopped a little bit. And Realme GT Neo 2 right now is at 35.6 degrees Celsius, 36.8 and 35.6. So overall 1 degree difference is there, 1 to 1.5 degrees between these both devices at this moment exactly. Right now Realme GT Neo 2 did increase 36.2 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Neo 2, and iQOO 9 SE did increase up to 38 degrees Celsius. 38.2 is the highest so far detected, 38.4 is the highest temperatures, and 36.4. 36.6, even this phone also start to increase, but till now the difference is 2 degrees between the Snapdragon 888 processor and Snapdragon 870. So I was expecting kind of very much huge difference, like maybe 5 degrees difference I was expecting, to be frank, on the Snapdragon 888 processor, because in the previous Realme GT device with the Snapdragon 888 processor, the phone did increase above 40 degrees every time, 42, 43 degrees. But when comparing with those phones, I would say definitely these lot better. 37.2 degrees Celsius. Right now, as you can see friends, the benchmark percentage between these both phones, 76 and 74. Now let's check the temperatures, what's happening. 38.2 degrees Celsius and 38.6 degrees Celsius. You can see even the Realme GT Neo 2 also increased high temperatures. So that's what I'm trying to mention, friends. So as you can clearly see, the temperatures between these both phones with the Snapdragon 888 and the Snapdragon 870 kind of very similar. That's kind of weird thing. The phone did increase up to, at some point it did went up to 40, but later on it did decrease. It did decrease, and right now it's about 38 degrees Celsius, 38.2. 38.2, same type of temperatures. So definitely there is kind of 1 to 2 degrees difference is there between these both phones regarding the temperatures. iQOO and SE and the Realme GT Neo 2 device, 1 to 2 degrees Celsius difference. So apart from that, I did not notice any kind of huge difference between these both phones in terms of the temperatures wise. 37.8, as you can see, it's kind of decreasing. It's decreasing little by little. And whereas the Realme GT Neo 2, it's kind of maintaining exactly same temperatures. As you can see, friends, I did not even pass this video, right? Before it was 38.2. Now, as you can see, 37.6. While running the benchmarks, it's slowly decreasing. Like at some peak point, it did increase up to 40 degrees. But later it decreased little by little. And now it came down to 37.2. And there is no AC, there is no cooler, friends. Nothing is going on. But you can see what the cooling system is doing in this device. And even in the Realme GT Neo 2 also, it's kind of decreasing. 36.8 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see the difference what it's happening here. So I need to do another testing here about the heating problems while gaming. So while playing Batman's mobile game for 1 hour of time using 4G data connection. Very soon I'll try to upload that video, maybe tomorrow or maybe today, as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos, friends. Especially those are going to be really very interesting. So we're at the end of the benchmark test results between these both phones, and we'll try to test the temperatures, what's happening. 37.6, 37.6. Yes, you are seeing actually correct, exactly same temperature it's maintaining with the Snapdragon 888 processor and the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So right now we got about 8,43,000 in the iQOO and SE device. 8,43,000. And next thing we're gonna see in this device as well, regarding the temperatures, now it's showing about 36.9 degrees Celsius. If you try to look at the application, and if you try to look at overall scores as well regarding the both phones. And Realme GT Neo 2, we got the results also, which scored about 7,05,000 versus 8,43,000. This video main point is to compare the temperatures. Now try to look at the temperatures which showed in this application. In the beginning, we have started similar kind of temperatures, 29.8, 29.9, very similar. And you can see the temperatures reached up to 38 degrees. It went on increasing. But in the iQOO 9 SE device, it started to little bit decrease. As you can see, friends, between these both phones. And the final temperatures in this application showing 38.2 degrees Celsius, 36.9 degrees Celsius. So regarding the temperatures, both phones are very equal. So that's something you should know. And CPU scores 195 212 and 327 versus 237. That's a huge difference. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching us in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Hopefully this video might be helpful for a lot of other users regarding the heating problem what's happening here. So I did not observe major heating issues while doing benchmarks, but I'll try to upload another video regarding the gameplay. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.